This video is sponsored by sneakerimpact.com. Take a second, look in your closet, see how many shoes you got. If you don't feel like trying to list those shoes and resell those shoes and you simply want to get them out of your closet, visit sneakerimpact.com, hit the contact button or the recycle button, and you can begin your recycling journey. They will send you a free packing slip, and all you have to do, fill the bag, drop it off, and that's it. Sneakerimpact.com. Check them out. All right, y'all, got another shoe to get into, and it's a long time coming for these, man. It's one of my favorite models from Adidas that I haven't even gotten a pair for myself. My daughter's got a pair, and she got it because of She Breaks Barriers. My daughter is a high jump champ from middle school, and Adidas was really dope enough to reach out and, talk about the sports programs that are here, and we were able to learn a little bit from each other, and she got a pair of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the kind of verification to look at the shoe, and then I got to come up with a giveaway because Adidas wants to celebrate women's athletics with the 4D. And if you guys don't know what 4D is, it's 4D carbon. It's 3D printed midsole. So you have this lattice kind of midsole that's printed by 3D. And I wish I would have brought her so she could do it on foot for you guys, because these do not fit anyone. And they are definitely going to be a giveaway. On the paper, you have the Parley logo that's on the paper, and it says in plastic waste, and it's a recycled paper. And on the inside of the box, you do have a QC sticker, and that QC sticker reads HSV 8.2 TQC. Now, the box itself has the in plastic waste on the top of it, and you can see the way the box looks, and then a tag here. But this is the Adidas 4D FWD, all right, forward. The style code is GZ8619. The color is Legend Silver, which is SLV MT, which I'm sure is Silver Movement, Turbo. So the Turbo is this pinkish color, all right? This is a size 8. I won't get into the UPC, but on the top of the box it says made with recycled materials, and we know it's made with Parley plastic. It's recycled plastic bottles that makes the upper, and it's Primeknit made from Parley, and then the midsole itself is 3D constructed and then attached to the outsole. It's a really, really nice shoe. It feels really just lightweight. And that thing, it's amazing what you can do with 3D printing, and the fact that more companies are not utilizing it, but the carbon 4D utilizes carbon, and the filament that they use or the material that they use to get the 3D print to happen is carbon based. So you got an interesting, fantastic model from Adidas, and these will be a giveaway. And I simply have to figure out how to do that, because it has to go to a girl for She Breaks Barriers. So when you're watching this, I won't put the giveaway on the inside of it. You do have a rubber outsole attached to it. I won't put the giveaway on the inside of this video. I'll do it in a different video. But this is for certain going to be a giveaway item. And it's going to a girl who participates, a middle school girl. If you wear 8 in men's, then you would be a 9.5. They run slightly big, so maybe a 9.5 to a 10. Women's 8, 9.5, yeah. So maybe 9.5 to 10 you could wear. So 9.5 to 10. So if you're a women's 9.5 to 10, middle school or high school, I gotta figure it out. Let me figure it out. But let's get to the close-up, because I want you to see the midsole of this shoe that's 3D printed, that's 4D. Okay, I want you guys to see that. And it's got the logo here on the back, the 4D forward, and it has the logo on the inside of the shoe, 4D forward, and we'll figure out the rest of it. But big shout out to Adidas for taking care of girls athletes. And I'm actually going to check with a local track team and see who their MVP was, and if that girl has a foot that's a little bit bigger or if she can fit these size 8s. So I'll figure that out. But let's get to the close-up on the 4D forward. Close-up. All right, so we got this turbo color. Now, it's not exactly the same color that you're seeing on the screen, this kind of infrared look. It is really more of a bright kind of vivid orange. But the lighting in here, because it's, you know, it's bright and then it's a weird day because we're getting ready to have thunderstorms. It's not exactly this pinkish color. It's more of an orangish kind of pink. The shoestrings are right on point as far as what they look like. But what I want to do is move this up close, because if you haven't seen the 4D before, I want you to see the way the midsole looks. And remember that this is 3D printed and then attached to the upper, which is recycled plastic, Parley plastic, right? And you have a swath of Durabuck or suede here at the back, and then you have the 4D forward logo there and here. And I'm not staying on this very long, and like I said, I will definitely do a video for this for a giveaway, or I'll do a local giveaway for these. But I wanted to make sure I did this video so you got a chance to see the shoes. And I think it's pretty much, you know, one of the better looking Adidas shoes. And it doesn't have boost, but this 4D carbon is just an incredible looking outsole. And my daughter loves them. She's like, yo, these are super comfortable. And she has a ton of different types of shoes, but she loves this shoe. Let me figure out how to do this giveaway, and I'll do another video. But that's it for the 4D forward from Adidas. Beautiful shoe.